What's up, guys? Today we're here with Jessica Friday from Friday Trailer Sales, and she's actually picked out a trailer for us to do a walk around on. It's a LPT Pacesetter. Why did you pick the LPT Pacesetter for us to do a walk around on?
Okay, so Diamond C makes a nice trailer, and everybody needs a dump. It is my favorite trailer. At Friday's Trailer Sales, Josh only carries trailers that he would haul and use, and the Pacesetter has the works, and it's spec'd out like he likes it, so that's what we carry.
Awesome. Well, we appreciate that. So let's talk real quick about some of the things that make the Pacesetter different than a standard trailer that we offer on the website. So one of the things that you get with the upgrades on the Pacesetter edition for the LPT is the solar panel. So this is obviously going to help charge the battery even when it's not in use, and helps for those jobs where you're having to use it repeatedly, right? And another one, which is I know one of your favorites,
oh, yeah,
is the hydraulic jack.
Yeah, hands down, favorite option. Why work harder when you can work smarter? It's, work hard and get a hydraulic jack upgrade. It's good money.
Absolutely. It's good for the end user and for you when you're moving these trailers around. One of the next things that comes standard on the LPT Pacesetter edition are the heavy duty fenders. These are 3/16 and they're really heavy duty, and obviously this will help enhance the life of your trailer. One of the other things that comes with the Pacesetter edition is the board bracket option.
So in the words of the trailer nerd, it's cheap insurance. Diamond C offers a variety of colors. They do a great powder coating job. This helps save that.
And then the last feature that comes standard on our LPT Pacesetter edition are the stabilizer legs. These are great to help stabilize the trailer while you're loading equipment into the back of the trailer. Configure your next LPT at diamondc.com.